Hi, welcome to Carepatron's Healthcare OS. In this video, we will be walking through how to schedule an appointment. This feature allows you to view your appointments on a calendar, and through these appointments, automated appointment reminders will be sent out. In this video, you will learn how to schedule an appointment, schedule recurring appointments. Firstly, navigate to the calendar page. Click a time slot in the calendar or press Schedule New on the upper right corner. Select a client or clients from the drop-down. Select a service. Enter the exact date and time you would like the appointment to be. Add location. Would you like this to be at your clinic or over call? And lastly, click Create. To schedule a recurring appointment, follow the same steps as before. Select the repeat toggle next to date and time. Choose how often you would like the appointment to repeat through the drop-down menu. Select an occurrence limit on the drop-down. Click Create. You have now scheduled your appointments, increasing organization with your practice.